Matuko magithiaga na mbere kuinekerera githurano kinene gutafanio. Ikundi itiganite cia kiuteti ni ithiete na mbere kuhurira ndebe atongoria ao mbere ya githurano giukite. Gikundi kimwe kia mbeu njithi na kiria kireita Vijana, tokelezea na uhuruto nigithiite na mbere kumathira mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kura icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Gikundi giki gigitabania micemanio na mbeu njithi tauni-ini ya Thika. Aingi ao aria ni arutwo University ya Mount Kenya.
We have a president who has tangible work he wants to do. Today we have a president who is saying, I am going to get all the young people because the unemployment rate is higher than it should be. And I will give them opportunity to acquire experience through the government.
They have done all that, and so this is the time we need to elect again Uhuru and Ruto.
More people are going to be literate, unlike those other people who are what? Illiterate. Kweli wongo. The Jubilee government has consistently, persistently and insistently done what? Develop this country.
Omaya makihanikaga mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na murunawe wa NASA Raila Odinga maracokereria kambi-ini ciao umuthi thutha wa gukorwo mahurukite muthenya wa ira niguo kumugira uhoro uria urari minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Joseph Nkaiseri. Kiama kia Jubilee rungu rwa Uhuru Kenyatta gigukorwo mwena wa gicua-ini kuria megutabania micemanio ya muingi kaunti-ini ya Malindi na thutha-ini kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Mwena-ini wa ngwataniro ya NASA matwarite imathare uria kura kaunti-ini ya Nyamira iria ni imwe ya kaunti iria gukorwo na ng'ethaniri munene makiria githurano-ini giukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.